Welcome to Mr. Learning. Today I will teach you about how to using formula VLookup to find data in Microsoft Excel. First, we should know that what is VLookup. When we use VLookup is a formula in Excel that we use when we need to find something in table or arrange by row. For example, we need to find staff's information by input staff's ID number. We input ID number here and then the staff's information who match with ID number that we input will show in our table. Okay, let's start. Now we want to show the staff's name, so we write formula like this VLookup. Open parenthesis. And then click the cell ID number that input, comma. And then select our table of staffs list, comma. And then count the column index of staff name. 1, 2. So we input number 2, comma. And then write the word Faisal. False means that information will show when the ID value is exact match. If we choose true, it means that information will show when the ID values is approximate match. And then close parenthesis. Enter. It is all ready. For the next information, we write the same, just change only column index. One, 2, 3. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is 5. And next is 6. Now let's try other ID number for searching. 3. It is okay. 5. It is correct. 10. Correct. 4. Correct. 2. Correct. Perfect. This video finish. I will teach the new lesson with the next video. Thank you for your watching.